15 early signs of cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious condition resulting from the formation of scar tissue in the liver due to prolonged damage, often caused by excessive alcohol consumption, carbohydrates, and foods high in sugar. These eating habits can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, which, over time, turns into fibrosis and eventually cirrhosis. This condition is particularly insidious because it often does not present noticeable symptoms for a long period, while the liver continues to be damaged internally. Known as silent cirrhosis, this disease prevents the liver from performing its vital functions, such as cleansing the body and managing hormones. In the United States, more than 25% of the population suffers from fatty liver disease, making it crucial to be aware of the signs and symptoms of the disease for early intervention. In today's video, we will share with you 15 early signs of liver cirrhosis and liver disease. In addition, we will provide easy tips for remedies and dietary advice to help repair your liver if you are facing this problem. Let's get started. 15 early signs of cirrhosis. 1. Loss of appetite and weight. Loss. Liver problems can lead to a reduction in appetite, resulting in involuntary weight loss. This can occur due to changes in metabolism and digestion, affecting how the body processes nutrients and fats. 2. Rough skin. When small red bumps appear around the hair roots, especially on the arms and in front of the legs, this may be an indicator of keratosis, a condition resulting from a lack of usable vitamin A in the body. The liver, responsible for storing vitamin A and producing bile, facilitates the absorption of this vitamin from the foods consumed. If there are liver problems, this process can be compromised, leading to the development of these bumps on the skin. 3. Spider veins. If the liver fails to function correctly, small red lines, similar to spider webs, may appear on the skin. This is due to the liver's difficulty in processing and eliminating excess estrogen, causing an abnormal expansion of veins. This visual sign on the skin serves as a warning that the liver may be compromised and is not performing its functions properly. 4. Red hands. If you notice that the palms of your hands are turning red, this may indicate a health problem linked to the liver, a condition common in about a quarter of people with severe complications in this organ. This symptom, known as palmar erythema, occurs when the liver fails to properly filter estrogen, leading to the dilation of small blood vessels in the hands. 5. Yellow skin and eyes. If your skin and eyes acquire a yellow tint, it is a strong indication of liver dysfunction. This color change results from the accumulation of bilirubin, a yellow substance that the liver, when unhealthy, fails to filter from the blood properly. This signals that the organ is not performing its essential functions, reflected in the observable jaundice in the skin and eyes. 6. Larger breasts. In men. When men notice an increase in breast size, it can be a symptom of liver dysfunction, a condition known as gynecomastia. This sign indicates that the liver is not operating properly, resulting in an accumulation of estrogen, the female hormone, which in turn can cause the growth of breast tissue. 7. Fatigue and general weakness. One of the most common symptoms of liver problems is the persistent feeling of tiredness and weakness, which is not relieved by rest. This condition can be a result of the decrease in blood detoxification and energy production by the compromised liver. 8. White spots on the eyelids. If you notice lumps or white spots on your eyelids, this may be a sign of liver problems. These spots, called xanthelasmas, consist of small cholesterol deposits that arise due to the liver's inability to properly process the fats present in the blood. 9. Thicker nails. Noticing that your nails are becoming thicker and more curved can be an indication that your liver is not functioning properly. This problem can arise when the liver faces difficulties, affecting the correct absorption of nutrients by the body, which, in consequence, can change the appearance of the nails. It's important to note, however, that changes in nails can also be caused by problems in the heart, lungs, or thyroid. 10. Swollen belly, ascites. A swollen and protruding belly can be an indicator that your liver is accumulating too much fat, which can result in scarring and more serious liver complications. This swelling occurs when the overloaded liver begins to release fluid into the space between the organs, making the stomach appear more swollen than normal. 11. Purple spots on the skin. The presence of flat purple spots on the skin can be a sign of lichen planus, a condition that is sometimes associated with hepatitis C. This virus affects the liver, increasing the activity of liver enzymes and impairing the function of the organ. 12. Bruise spots. If you observe small purple or red spots on the skin, especially on the arms or lower legs, it may be a sign that your liver is damaged. This occurs because a compromised liver cannot produce enough proteins that assist in blood clotting, resulting in small bruises under the skin. 13. Dandruff. White flakes on the scalp may mean that you are lacking some B vitamins that your liver normally stores. A damaged liver may not handle these vitamins well, leading to a scalp with dandruff. Additionally, if your liver does not use B vitamins correctly, the skin on your feet may crack. 14. Right leg or foot. Swelling. Swelling in the right leg or foot can indicate that the liver is not functioning well, a state known as edema. If pressing the swollen area leaves a mark, this suggests liver inflammation, revealing that the organ is not operating properly in this specific area of the body. 15. Dark urine. When the liver is damaged, a change in urine color can be observed, which becomes darker, often described as tea or cola color. This happens due to increased levels of bilirubin in the blood, which the damaged liver cannot process properly, leading to increased excretion through the urine. How can I improve my liver? If you are experiencing the symptoms we just mentioned, then you will want to know what steps you can take to start healing your liver and protect it from future damage. 1. Hydrate yourself. Proper hydration is crucial for the healthy functioning of the liver, as it helps facilitate the detoxification process, allowing the organ to filter and eliminate harmful substances more efficiently. Consuming enough water supports liver health by maintaining adequate blood flow, which is essential for the transport of nutrients and the removal of wastes. Additionally, water aids in digestion and the absorption of water-soluble vitamins, vital for maintaining liver functions. 2. Intermittent fasting. Considering the practice of prolonged intermittent fasting can be beneficial for liver health. Opting to skip meals occasionally or restrict food intake to a short daily period allows the body to develop special cells dedicated to liver tissue repair. Furthermore, this practice can contribute to reducing liver inflammation and minimizing the formation of new scars in the organ. Intermittently fasting is a strategy that, by promoting liver rest, facilitates its recovery and maintenance of health. 3. Stop eating sugar and drinking alcohol. Avoiding alcohol and foods high in sugar is crucial for liver health, as they are common causes of liver diseases and cirrhosis. Alcohol consumption directly damages liver cells, resulting in swelling and scarring, while sugar, especially that found in carbonated drinks, causes similar effects. 4. Digestion pills. Before meals, it is recommended to start using digestion aid pills that contain ox bile or purified bile salts. These supplements not only prevent the buildup of scars in the liver, but also facilitate bile production. Bile is essential for the effective absorption of important nutrients such as vitamins A and E, as well as other beneficial substances from food, thus contributing to liver health and optimizing nutrient digestion. 5. Drink herbal tea. Incorporating the use of liver-beneficial herbs such as milk thistle can be an effective strategy to strengthen and repair the organ. Silymarin, an active component of milk thistle, plays a crucial role in making liver cells more resilient, allowing them to perform their vital functions efficiently. Additionally, silymarin assists in the recovery of these cells from damage caused by alcohol consumption, excessive use of medications, and sugar intake. 6. Tocotrienols. Adopting tocotrienol supplements, a form of vitamin E, can help reduce the formation of scar tissue in the body, benefiting liver health significantly. In addition to tocotrienols, including turmeric, garlic, dandelion, and fresh ginger in the diet is also highly recommended. These natural ingredients have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect the liver against further damage and assist in the repair of existing damage. 7. Green vegetables. Including a variety of green vegetables in the diet, such as kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower, is beneficial for liver health. These vegetables contain components that help reduce liver swelling and promote the organ's regeneration. 8. Exercise regularly. Regular physical exercise is vital to prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver, reducing the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Physical activity stimulates metabolism, aiding in the burning of fats and maintaining a healthy weight. Exercising regularly also improves insulin resistance, a key factor in preventing liver diseases. Including aerobic, strength, and flexibility exercises in the routine can significantly promote liver health. Summary: the liver plays a crucial role in our well-being, performing more than 500 essential functions. Recognizing the early signs of liver damage is vital to adopting positive lifestyle changes that promote liver health. The measures discussed, such as the intake of green vegetables, the use of digestion aid pills, practicing intermittent fasting, avoiding alcohol and sweet foods, drinking herbs like milk thistle, and supplementing the diet with tocotrienols, turmeric, garlic, dandelion, and ginger are effective in reducing liver inflammation. These actions can not only lead to healthy weight loss, but also to the reduction of scar tissue in the liver. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next video.